Hey everyone, I am Nancy and that's Anastasia. And we're Anastasia. She's right there. We are our treasure home and we want to welcome you to our channel. And welcome that we have memberships now and so many wonderful things to offer. So with this I have 5 levels of memberships. We have just the basics, which is your loyalty badges and emojis. So that if you want to do that one, you can. There she is. So then we have purple because she changed my color from blue to purple because her daddy has blue and no one else can have the same color in the family.
Unless we had a son.
Yeah, unless they had a son. She don't have a brother, so that's okay. So purple is $2.99. You get the same perks plus connecting on social media. Now, I don't have a page for doing things or anything. It's just my Facebook, which is my personal Facebook, because I have that not open to the public, and I have my Instagram, which is not open to the public. So, and I have done things on both things and shared food recipes and everything. So that's included with the purple. With the word so, because that's my favorite word, is to say, so, are we ready to do this? So, are we ready to, so, well, that one's $5.99. You get the same perks, but you get member shout outs and early access to videos. So, that's the $5.99. And, if you're $2.99, you might see something or another also. So then my $9.99 is pink because that's Anastasia's favorite color. So you get all those same perks, plus you'll get a newsletter. So I've already got my first newsletter already done and everything and ready to go for those $9.99 memberships. And then the $24.99 has all the same thing, except this is special. You will get a 30-minute cooking session with me about how we cook dairy-free and alpha-gal. And that's the $24.99. So you'll have a personal chef about making different dishes. So we hope you all enjoy. We thank you for becoming members. And for my subscribers, I will still be doing cooking videos and everything. But I wanted to give members some what's going on and everything. And with the money, it's going to be with memberships and super chats and everything. Half of it goes to her because she is half of this channel. The other half will be like for giveaways, for paying for shipping, and doing things for the channel. Getting a new computer,
maybe a new squishmallow,
and some other things for the channel. Maybe a camera that's not my personal camera, a video camera or something other like that. So we wanted to sit there and say welcome to everybody, subscribers and new members, and tell everybody what our memberships offer. We thank you for coming by. And yeah, that link here, there's a bell there and all that good stuff. So we hope y'all have a wonderful day, and we will see you
on our treasure home.
Next time on our treasure home.
The video is over. Goodbye.